Hello everyone. Thank you for joining today's webinar. In the webinar, we will cover best practices for upgrading Trackit application. My name is Megha and I am Technical Support Analyst working with Trackit product. Let's overview the agenda of today's webinar. Why Trackit application necessary to upgrade 2023 Release 02 version, and the key points of enhancement and the features of Trackit application 2023 version. We will adding application server backup and the database backup by the demonstration. Pre and post upgrade checks for the upgrade Trackit application. If Trackit upgrade fail, we have included basic troubleshooting for the guidance. We will demonstrate upgrade Trackit from old build version to the new build version, which is 2020 Release 02 to 2023 Release 02 version. Following are some enhancement and feature available in the product of Trackit 2023 02 version. Trackit tracks and display the technicians and the system activity on ticket and display it in the audit trail window. You can monitor any changes made to the tickets in its life cycle. Let's take the example: creating new ticket, editing ticket details, and adding and deleting tickets attachment. If the technicians have records open in their workspace and then these records are automatically locked for other technicians. These records are displayed in a read-only mode for other technicians. In the Trackit 2023 Release 2 version, you can now unlock this multiple lock record directly from the tickets, assignment, purchase order from other modules. Requesters and technician, those are disabled and deleted from Active Directory. Those users automatically deleted from the Trackit application in version 2023 Release 2. Other enhancements available in the product updates are: update to the scheduling report, update BCM compatibility with the Trackit 2023 Release 02 version with 22.04.03 version, incoming and outgoing configuration with Office 365. Let's discuss the direct upgrade and two-step upgrade process of Trackit application. If Trackit application is running on 2023 Release 01 version, then you can directly upgrade to 2023 Release 02 version. This entire process we can call direct upgrade or one-step upgrade process. If Trackit application running on old build version and wants to upgrade to the latest build version, which is 2023-02, the two-step upgrade needs to be followed. Let's understand this entire process by the chart. We have added few Trackit release versions in the chart to understand the process. If Trackit application is running the version on 2023 Release 1 and then you can directly upgrade to the Release 02 version, you can see entire process in the right side panel chart. Let's understand the entire process with another example. If Trackit application is running on 2020 Release 02 version, in that case you can upgrade Trackit application to till 2021 Release 02 version. This process we can call first step upgrade or direct upgrade process. Then follow up the upgrade from Trackit 2021 Release 02 version to the latest build version. This process we can call two-step upgrade process. This entire two-step upgrade process we have explained in a left side chart. Before perform the upgrade, Trackit database backup and Trackit application server backup is mandatory. We will explain the Trackit database backup process by the demonstration. Log in to the SQL Server Management Studio by SA account or equivalent to SA account. Under the database folder, right-click to the Trackit database. Select the backup option under the task. Browse the location to store the database backup file. Give the name to the database backup file with the extension BAK. Click OK to create the database backup. Remove the another backup log file. Once the backup of the database successfully finished, connect with the internal network team for a snapshot backup process. Before perform the upgrade, track it pre-upgrade checks required. During the upgrade, following services should be stopped: IIS admin service, World Wide Web service, Trackit mail process service, Trackit job process service, and Trackit infrastructure service. Make sure third-party application should not start the services. SA password or equivalent SA password should be required. Windows authentication would not work to perform upgrade. Local admin password and local service account is required to update complex component on server. Make sure password should not change. After Trackit application server backup and database backup, we can start to perform Trackit upgrade from 2020 release 02 to 2023 release 03 version. First step of Trackit upgrade is version 2021 release 02 version. During the first step upgrade, SQL logins will affect and remove the SQL logins account from SQL Server. Let's start the Trackit upgrade process from 2020 release 02 to 2021 release 02 version. Let's start the Trackit upgrade process from 2020 release 02 to Trackit 2021 release 02 version. Download the Trackit installer file from BMC EPD support portal. Double-click on installer file and wait for a few seconds to open a new wizard. A new wizard opened to extract the installer file on Program 86 folder. Wait for a few seconds to finish the extract installation file. Once the installation file extracted, actual installation process start. Welcome wizard will be open and click on Next button. Click Yes on the license agreement. Select the both component and click on the Next button. Verify the SQL Server name and database name and click on Next button. Click Yes for the forceful close to active connections of database. Let's wait for a few minutes to get the new window. While upgrading Trackit application, note will be displayed. Password for technician reset to default, and if technician is using Windows authentication is not affected by upgrade. Enter the SA account password to update database and click on Next button. Enter the local admin password to update complex services and click on Next button. Click on the Next button once again. Upgrade process will take several minutes to finish. Let's wait for a few minutes to upgrade Trackit application. New window will be appear to choose the URL to log in Trackit application after upgrade. Click on Finish button and click on OK to restart Trackit application automatically. Once the Trackit application upgrade finish, verify the database upgrade version. Log into the SQL Server Management Studio and execute the query. Select star from dbo.smsys flag where name is equal to namdbworld. Once the Trackit application upgrade to the 20.21.02 version, let's move to the next step of upgrade to the Trackit version 20.23.02. Perform the new Trackit database backup and the Trackit application server backup and follow up the upgrade to the 20.23.02 latest build. During the upgrade, stop the following services: IIS Admin Service, World Wide Web Service, Trackit Mail Process Service, Trackit Job Process Service, and Trackit Infrastructure Service. And once again, make sure third-party application should not start the service. Right-click to the installer file and run as an administrator. Installer file has started to extract at Program 86 folder. Let's wait for a few seconds to file get extract. The new welcome wizard will be open. Click on next button. Click on S to accept the license agreement. Select the component. Verify the SQL Server name and database name and click on S to disconnect the database connection. Let's wait for a few seconds. The new window will be open. Enter the SA account password. If you don't have a SA account, make sure the equivalent SA account should be entered. Enter the local admin credentials here. Click next button. The upgrade process has started. It will take several minutes to finish. Let's wait for a while. The new welcome window will be open. Select the link to access the Tracker application and click on Finish. Click OK to restart Tracker application server. After Tracker application server restart, log in to the Tracker application by administrative credentials. Wait for a few seconds to log in Tracker application. After upgrade performed, Trackit will take time to log in. Verify the Trackit application version. Click on Hamburger menu and click on Trackit About. You can see the Trackit application upgraded to the 20.23 Build 2 version. Verify the database version by executing query. Select star from dbo.smsys flag where the name is equal to named div version. And verify the SQL logins in the security login folder. Once we successfully upgraded to the Trackit application latest build version, follow the post-upgrade checks. Log in to the Trackit application by Windows Authentication account and Basic Authentication account. Check the SQL logins from Trackit database in the Security and the Login folder. Log in to the self-service portal by the Windows Authentication and the Basic Authentication account. Make sure the following services in a running state: IIS Admin Service, World Wide Web Service, Trackit Mail Process Service, Trackit Job Process Service, and Trackit Infrastructure Service. Verify the Trackit database version from the post upgrade from the SMSys flag table. Verify the incoming and outgoing emails are working fine and verify the business rules are in working state. Let's understand the concept of Microsoft SQL Login account. After upgrading to the Trackit 2020 Release 03 version and the later versions, all the existing SQL Logins account for group and technicians that were created during initial installation are removed. 2020 Release 03 and the later version of Trackit does not create SQL Logins account in the following situation. During the Trackit installation, upgrade to 2023-03 or later version, when new group or new technicians created, there are some consideration of the Trackit SQL login. Trackit does not create any SQL login account with the admin access to entire SQL server. The SQL login account created individual technicians do not have admin rights for the server or Trackit database. 2023 Release 03 or the later version of Trackit application. During upgrade, SQL logins are not removed if one of the following conditions exist. The SQL logins are shared across database. There are active connections with the SQL Server Management Studio. Following SQL logins account created and used. SMDB account is used for administrative purpose. SMSys admin account has a DB owner role and the Trackit database. Administrator account, this is a default technician login account. And the BCMDB user account created only when BCM installed on the server. Helpdesk account, which is a default group. Self-service account used when the requester logs into the self-service portal. System account used for the administrative purpose and has a SMDBA role. And the last is system administration account. This is a default group account. While upgrading Trackit application at any point, Trackit upgrade fail, you will need to restore the database backup taken before running the upgrade. Restore the snapshot of the application server backup taken before running the upgrade. After restore the application snapshot backup and the database, try to perform Trackit application upgrade once again. If the application fails one more time with the same error, create the case with the Trackit customer support team. Do not attempt to rerun the upgrade over a previous failed database upgrade. This will cause the further issues with the current Trackit installation. Capture the upgrade log file located at the following location. Trackit log generated at the Trackit directory program file 86 folder and the database log generated at the database log folder program file 86 folder. When you upgrade the Trackit to 20.23 version, the following SQL logs are getting generated. SM SQL TRC log and SM SQL ERR log. These both log files are generated under the C program file 86 BMC Trackit log folder. Mention logs shows the actual root cause of issue. After upgrade Trackit application to the new build version, upgrade BMC client management to the compatible Trackit new build version. Take the backup of master file. The master file located at C drive client management master folder. Take the database backup of BCM database. If master and the database server are VM, then take a snapshot backup. It will be the enough file master server is down. You can download the BMC client management update file from the BMC EPD portal. The BMC 2022 4.4.03 is the compatible version for Trackit 2023 Release 2 version. Videos and the documents are available on BMC document portal for the upgrade BMC client management to the one build version to the another. Conclusion of Trackit upgrade process from one build version to another. Direct upgrade and a two-step upgrade by the graphical representation. Application and the database backup by the demonstration. Pre-upgrade and post-upgrade checks. Upgrade Trackit from one build version, which is 2020 Release 02 and 2023 Release 02 version. Basic troubleshooting. We have covered the log requirement details and what is the prerequisite of the basic troubleshooting. BMC client management upgrade process with the compatible version details. And additionally, we have included SQL login account details and the features of Trackit 2023 Release 02 version. You can explore the Trackit document on BMC support portal site. Here are some documents that can assist you to take the backup of Trackit database and the Trackit application server. Upgrade process the Trackit application from one build version to another build version. How to reach out to the Trackit support team if the Trackit upgrade fails. You can create a ticket from BMC support portal or contact the customer support team on the following contact number. The support team is available 24/7 from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time Zone. Thank you for attending today's webinar.